लाइव गया हूँ मैं. Hi guys, what's up? So yes, I have been coming live with some people, but I thought why not come live now and interact with you guys, क्योंकि उसमें तो interviews होते हैं, questions होते हैं. But today I actually just wanted to interact with you all because it had actually been a very long time. And yes. Hi Khushbu, hi. Oh, also advance में ईद मुबारक आप सबको. Let's take a screenshot. Hi IG Irfan. Hi Riva. Hi Agarwal Gunjan. Hi MD Rasil. Hi Tarun. Hi Hazrat. Hi Kuldeepish. Hi Indrajit. Hi Vikas. Hi Kamnush, hi Anmol, hi Ami Bharti, hi Tadu Sharma, hi Nisha. Hi Shivi Gupta, hi Jay Parmar, hi Zafar. Guys, if you have any questions, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. I'm here to interact with all of you guys. And also अगर आपको कुछ network में कुछ लगे, because these days there are a lot of Wi-Fi problems that are going on, so just let me know. Hi Saurav, hi Mayank. Hi Vanshika, hi Fuzi, hi Nikhil. Yes, I will add some people too today. आज मैं add भी करूँगी आप सबको, but थोड़ी देर बाद ताकि कुछ लोग और आ जाएं. And then I'll start adding people. Hi Cutie Pie Girl 138. Hi Heer Jadhav. Hi Rohan. Hi Mishri. Hi Manju Singh. Hi Urvi, how are you doing? Okay, should I like go to the this thing? Okay guys, you can ask me questions in the comment section itself. Hi Manmeet, hi Jersey, hi Sanskriti. Hi Pragati Shukla, how are you doing? Hi Bandra 50. Bandra 50? क्या बात है? Hi Priyam Rathod. Hi Suchitra. Hi Neha. Okay, too much of hi hello now. Let's interact. So how is your quarantine going? आप सब कैसे spend कर रहे हो? Hi Seth. How are you and your family? I'm good. Ashnurian official. Everyone safe over here. I hope everyone's safe at your end too. Hi. I am Tanam. Hi Sufi. Hi Devanshi. Hello, hello. Okay, too much hello, hello. You can ask questions now. Hi Asha. Please add anyone. Yes, I will. I will add someone in like 5 to 10 minutes after we. Ashi, please check DMs. Okay, I will do that. Oh, also one more thing that I wanted to tell you guys. Yesterday on Twitter, I just saw some Manilian. So I just tricked my mind. Missing Patiala babes. Thank you Kasturi, Kulkani. All the love that you guys are giving to Patiala babes. Yesterday on Twitter, hashtag Patiala babes Wapas Lao was trending on number 3. Guys, like, thank you. Wow, what can I say? I don't know. Patiala babes Wapas Lao was trending number 3 on Twitter India along with Eid Mubarak and all. And Sonur as Manil was trending on number 4. So you guys are amazing. Now I don't know what will happen, obviously, because the condition is like that. Nobody has a control over it, and we can't do anything about it. This coronavirus pandemic. So I don't know what is gonna be the outcome, but I'm just really thankful for all the love you guys are giving to the show. How's your quarantine going? Quarantine is going amazing. आपका quarantine कैसा चल रहा है? So usually I have these online classes in the morning, but tomorrow मेरी छुट्टी है from online classes because it's Eid tomorrow. How's uncle? He is safe, right? Yes, mom, dad, both are safe. What's the reason behind your always happy face and your cute smile? I don't know. I just stay happy on the inside, and that comes on my face. You guys make me happy. Hi Neha. Hi Zangi Khan. Hi Bhavya. Where are you from? I'm born in Delhi. Mom's from Punjab. Rupin. Hey. How are you? नजर ना लगे. Thank you. How are you doing? कोई नहीं चलता है कोई नहीं. Ta na na. That was a different song. I'm not using that. Hi Tushar. Hi Paramjot. I'm doing good. I hope you are safe. You're home. And you're taking your precautions against corona. Riyaz Ali, how are you doing? इस टाइम मिस नहीं हुआ देखो. Hi Priyanshi. Hi Nitin. Hi Mehak. That pic of childhood show is amazing. Oh yes, that picture is from Jhansi Ki Rani. Take Me Live, we'll sing it together. Okay. So the one behind Koi Nahi is coming live with us.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Long time.
All good. Finally. We
Finally.
planned this every time, but it never happened.
It never happened.
The last
I saw you live.
The best.
I saw you live and I was like, might as well.
Guitar
Always ready with the guitar.
Okay.
One second.
Okay, I'm not going to sing, okay? I'll just like, where did he go? Okay.
I'm right here.
I won't
No,
sing,
you
okay?
sing.
I'm a very bad
Sing
singer.
so nice. You sang so well. Sing.
Please. I'm a bathroom singer.
It's okay. Everyone's probably in their bathroom while you are watching this. Guys, okay, you tell me, whoever's watching, was she not good when she sang that song? There's so many hearts going. I think you were amazing. Okay, I'll sing one line, then you sing the second line, okay?
No, we'll sing together.
Cool,
We'll
perfect.
sing together. Yeah, okay.
Done. गले जो लगाए तो गर्दन करती है, चलता है कोई नहीं, चलाए तो मुझसे वो डरती है, चलता है कोई नहीं, घंटा बोल के घंटा करती है, चलता है कोई नहीं. Yes, perfect, ठीक है. So I'll sing one line. किशन मेरी बहन के हाथ क्यूट लगती है,
चलता है कोई नहीं. Oh God, that was so painful.
तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं. Your turn. आदत तेरी लगी, जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं.
कोई नहीं चलता है कोई नहीं.
I never could ask you. I never could ask you what was your experience like being on set. We were busy shooting that day, but
Yeah.
what was your experience like shooting that music video, working with Sunny, being on that set, that song?
So that was my first music video actually. So yeah, Koi Nahi was, and it had a different vibe actually, I would say. Even though that I have done other music albums now, but that one music album like had its own vibe. So Koi Nahi is like first are always special, and Koi Nahi obviously
Yeah.
is like a different song.
Anything funny, anything memorable that happened on the shoot?
Koi Nahi said. Mm. Oh yes, I remember the last shot where I had to put that face pack on my face. And I'm like, वो cringe. And ऊपर से सनी ने और डाल दिया था. And then नहीं नहीं वो नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. I'll tell you
नहीं नहीं
one
नहीं
more
बोल बोल
thing
बोल
later on.
नहीं
Not
नहीं
on
नहीं
the
बोलना
live.
बोलना
अरे अरे. सनी को I guess he had to wear shorts or something. तो बेचारे को वैक्स करना पड़ा था.
Oh yes.
I had those waxing strips. And I had to let him know. You know, you keep those in your bag for safety. And I
Yeah, yeah,
waxing
yeah. So what happened was they gave me the option कि Rupen, will you shave your legs? I was like नहीं मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा because I don't know. So it was either him because it was same costume. Either he wears the shorts or I wear the shorts. Luckily they were like नहीं Rupen से नहीं कराते and then Sunny agreed to it. So he had to wax his legs and I was saved. And I didn't know that you gave him wax strips and all that.
Yeah.
I remember that. I remember that.
That's
That
great.
was a big pop up.
Oh,
बहुत
yes.
कपड़े चेंज हुए लास्ट दिन हमारे एटलीस्ट हमारे
Yeah.
लाइक मेरा सनी के
Correct.
anything funny in the wardrobe thing anything शूट के टाइम पे कुछ ऊटपटांग कुछ मजेदार
कुछ उसके हिसाब से so I क्या हो गया? I guess you just went off. And I'm not able to add you back. Anyways, we'll continue some other day. Hi, Vedika. Hi, Supriya Singh. Okay, let me just add someone now. Let's see who I can add. Hi, Manu Saini. Hi, Vedika. Hi, Mrityu. You are my fave. Always love to see you. Thank you. Okay, I just added someone waiting for the fan to come live with me. Hi, Kushi. Is there Patiala Babes new season? Well, there's no such thing as of now. So I can say. Hi, Mod Ashraf. Hi, Ankit.
Hi, Ashi.
Hello.
How are you? I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. All good. All good.
How's your life
So,
going
आपका
on?
कॉलेज कैसा चल रहा है?
Well, that's boring.
That's good. Thank you. I just saw your account and I've been seeing your edits. So thank you for all the edits and all the love. They are really
Yeah.
great.
I love it when you say that you like these edits.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Soon my FC is completing 3 years on 27 May.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's great.
Yeah.
So
How's
yes,
auntie?
Mama's good, all well. Everyone's safe.
Okay.
And you just take care. Stay
Yeah,
safe.
yeah.
Take precautions. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.
It's so great talking to all you Ashnurians, all my fans, my extended family. It's just always very great. Hi, Jen Priyal. Should I add someone else? Okay, I'm just trying to add one of you guys. Hello? Okay, I can just see the ceiling, nothing else. Never mind. Let me add someone else. आपके फेस पर क्या हुआ डॉल? आई गेस ये हर टीनेजर को होता है. दैट्स अ बिंदी टाइप का पिंपल दैट आई हैव गॉट एंड आई कैन डू नथिंग अबाउट इट. तो ये आया भी एकदम सेंटर में है. Your favorite color? Today I'm wearing yellow, so I guess yellow is my favorite color for the day. Hi Jyoti. Pure Punjabi lagde ho. Thank you so much. Hi Gopika. This color suits you a lot. Thank you so much. Hi Javed. Hi Suri Shreya. Please post this live today. Yes, I will post it and it will be on my IGTV. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Have you seen my edits? I've made an account for you, Unique
Oh,
Ashnu
yes.
Kaur.
Yeah, that's the reason I added you here. I just saw your account and I thought to add you.
It's a new account I made just a few weeks ago only.
Okay. Okay. Great, looking forward.
So how is quarantine going?
My quarantine is going amazing. Everyone's safe here and everyone's taking their precautions. I hope you
And
are
how's your mom, dad?
mom, that's well. How old are you?
How? I'm 22 years old.
Oh, okay. That's great. So yes. What's the sound?
It's an ambulance sound
Oh,
from the
everyone's safe?
background.
All well?
Yeah, everyone's safe. It's behind this Maivendra hospital, so all the day the sound going on and on.
Oh, okay,
It's
okay.
just behind where I live, just behind them. Yeah.
Okay, alright. So you might be
So every day it irritates me with that ambulance sound whole day.
Correct. But that's okay, no
And
problem.
whole day I see that patient.
Alright. So yes, looking forward to your edits.
So how
and
is
stay
mom, dad?
safe.
Hope they are fine.
Everyone's good. Yes. Alright then, see you. Was she saying something? Hi Sayed. Hi Kashish. Hi Ankit. Okay, now we'll talk. I added a few people, now we'll talk. Hi Shretya. Hi Singuttam. Hi Devil. Okay, I just look for some questions. Hello, hello. Okay, lot of hello. Please check your email. Okay, I'll do that. Your eyes are really pretty. Thank you so much. Okay, if you get a chance to do Patiala waves again, which role would you do? Which role? Minnie, of course. मैं कोई और रोल करूंगी तो मिन्नी कौन करेगा? Love you. Thank you, Prince. What's your height? I'm 5'6". Hello, Minnie G. Hello, Ishika. How are you? Hi, Kia. Love from USA. Lots of love from India. I hope you all are safe there. I've been watching news and circumstances don't seem to be stable there. So take care. I'm your great admirer. Thank you so much. Hi, Kanupriya. Hi, Kushwat. Hi, Sneha. Hello, love you, Minnie. Thank you, Dipali. Lots of love from Dubai, love from Hyderabad. Okay, love pouring from all over the world. Thank you. पंजाबी आती है आपको? हाँ, बोलनी आती है, समझ में भी आती है. Okay, so this is my favorite Punjabi line, okay? Which I learned first time क्योंकि मेरा जो cousin है in Punjab वो बहुत चिढ़ाता था मुझे कि मैं पंजाबी बोलनी नहीं आती है. So I learned this one line that's like hate Punjabi. So it goes like आज मैं अपने गवंडिया तिकार तत्ती तत्ती चाप पीती. Okay, so tell me, all the Punjabi fans, what does this line mean? You tell me in the comment section. You have damn gorgeous eyes. Thank you so much. Love your eyes. Thank you. Okay. Too many comments about my eyes. Any plans to come to Delhi? Delhi में तो अभी कोई plans नहीं है. Also, I'm not able to add you back. I don't know why. Hi Khadija. आप मुझे भी हाय बोल दो अश्नूर जी. Hi शुभम खरिद .104. Same line in Gujarati. यार गुजराती अब उतनी बोलनी नहीं आती मुझे. That band looks very cute. Thank you. गुजराती में केम छो मजा छो. That's all. क्या खाओ छो? ढोकला फाफड़ा खाओ छो. I love it, by the way. Huh? Very cute language. Have you ever read most favorite book? I just completed All the Right Places that I have been trying to read since a very long time and I finally completed. So I love that book. I'm also gonna watch that movie on it. Hi Princess Tanisha. What's your nickname? My nickname is Palak. Okay, all the ones asking me the Punjabi line to say it again. It is आज मैं अपने गवंडिया ते कार तत्ती तत्ती चा पीती. Tell me, what does it mean? Hi Kajal, your dress is looking beautiful. Thank you. This is what I'm wearing. Casual today. Heaven on earth. Thank you so much, Ravi. Hi Darshit Darji. Today is my birthday. Please wish me. Hi Budki, wishing you a very very happy birthday and enjoy your day. Stay safe. राजस्थानी में कुछ बोलो. यार अब मुझे इतनी लैंग्वेजेस नहीं आती है. अगर मैं कुछ गलत बोल दूंगी तो that'll be wrong ना. No problem. Next live मैं कुछ राजस्थानी में सीख के लाइव आऊंगी. We'll do that. What do you do for your long and heavy hair? Please tell me. So Arushi, basically I take care of them. I keep them clean. I also have some home remedies that I follow, which is coming soon on my YouTube channel. आज मैंने अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के गरम चाय पी. Half is correct, not full. Now listen to the line again. All the Punjabis. आज मैं अपने गवंडिया ते कार तत्ती तत्ती चा पीती. Translate this to Hindi or English. Hi _54. How are you? Hi Nakul. Such a cute smile. Thank you, Himani. Hi Nitesh Bajaj. Hi Marathonist. Why so cute? Why so cute? मुझे क्या पता why so cute? Maybe it's my genes. Or maybe I feel good inside. ये cute baby doll कौन है? Thank you so much. Hi Melody Jenny, how are you? आप तो सच में एंजल हो. Thank you मला सखारे. Cute smile. Thank you कार्तिक. आज मैंने अपने नेबर्स के घर गरम गरम चाय पी. Correct answer. आज मैं अपने गवंडिया तिका तती तती चाय पीती. आज मैंने अपने नेबर्स के घर गरम गरम चाय पी. Correct. Your favorite song? So currently I am listening to Rubaru. Rubaru. Yeah. How old are you? I'm 16 years old. Come to Nagpur city. I did come to Nagpur. I guess last this thing Dandiya Navratris. So this year I hope just everything gets fine soon and we're able to travel again. Baby doll is so cute. Thank you, Mama. Come to Delhi. Yes, Delhi is my hometown. Like I was born in Delhi, so I do visit there once every year annually. Your favorite hero? The Vicky Kaushal. Your current web series? I'm currently binging on Money Heist. I've reached the season 2. I'll piano and you sing Rubaru. Done. We'll actually have to plan this. I don't know, I'm not able to add you, Rupin. Dee, will you come to Nepal soon? I did come to Nepal when I was 8 years old, I guess. Phone boli tumna maine kuch kaha. Hi Arpita. Yashnu, please say Parithi. Hi Parithi. Minnie is my favorite. Thank you. I'm so happy you guys loved Minnie and Minnie's character so much. I'm really grateful for that. गुजराती आती है आपको? 2 लाइन्स आती है. केम छू मजे मचू. Yeah. I love the dhokla, phapra, everything. Khakra. I'm even allowed to eat khakra actually. Come Indore, please. I have come to Indore. I'll try to come again. Which new thing do you do in lockdown period? Lockdown I started sketching. So I never knew I could actually sketch unless I discovered this thing that okay I can. So yes. Hi Irish. How are you? Ashnurians always. Thank you so much. Hi Archita. My nickname is also Minnie. Arey wah, that's great. That's really cool. Punjabi. Punjabi बोली तो सही अभी. Guess भी नहीं किया आपने. वो तो रुपिन ने guess किया. When your next show come on TV? I'm eagerly waiting for your new show. So actually, guys, after Patiala Babes, now I want to take a gap, a small break for a few months, maybe at least for 5 to 6 months, and I don't want to take any long-term project as of now for a few months. Maybe some nice music album or web series, short-term. I would love to do that, which has a good content. Vikram Mamu, how are you? Kaise ho aap? I hope you're safe. I keep seeing your workout videos and it really motivates me. Please come to Bhopal soon. Boards khatam. मेरे boards नहीं थे. Last year I was in 11th. Now this year I've come in 12th. So I'll have my boards the next year. Hi Suveen Chetri. Hi Neha Singh. Hi Farzana. Please come to Bihar. So I'm going to, after lockdown, so I should actually, I guess, take this entire tour after lockdown to meet all of you guys. I'll have to plan that after my boards. Let's do this. Hi Ashnu, where is your hometown? I'm born in Delhi, brought up in Mumbai. Yeah. Come to Indonesia. Sis, I'm from Indonesia. Aku cinta Indonesia. And yes, so many Indonesian fans who keep messaging me, keep making edits. I would love to visit Indonesia really soon. Hi, Mini Didi. Hello. Hi, Shreya. You're really beautiful. Thank you. Hide this account that's being pranked 5. You're not replying. I'm replying. I'm replying to all of you only. Delhi में कहाँ? इतनी डिटेल थोड़ी ना देते हैं. Have you tried to cook? Oh yes, I have tried to cook. Of course. I also have this IG video on that. You can check it out. Hi Sarthak Superstar. Hi Dia. Please come to South Africa. I visited South Africa twice. One when I was 6. It was for this event. I was doing Jhansi or Shobha that time. So yes, I had come to Durban and Johannesburg. And then we'd come to Cape Town to shoot for Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai in the beginning. My introduction was there. Hi Sanjana, I'll add people soon. Which is your favorite place? Home, sweet home, anytime. You look very pretty. Thank you. Your acting is my favorite. Thank you. Hi Ishika.ic. How are you doing? I might have missed it. You're so sweet. Thank you, Abhijit. Please come to Bhutan. No plans, but I can try. I'll try to. I have many places to visit after this lockdown. Seriously. Hi Shreya Thakur. Which stream? I've chosen commerce, Dakshin. Chosen commerce in my 11th and 12th. I'm your little fan. Please take my name. Hi Monica. How are you? Such a pretty name you have. You're looking so pretty. Thank you, Priyal. Hi Ashnoor45. How are you? Pranam Ashnoorji, Yusuf sir. Pranam. How are you? Metro misses you, Yusuf sir. बाड़मेर राजस्थान कैसा लगा था? It was a beautiful place with beautiful people. You're so talented. Thank you. Who is the first person you'll meet after lockdown? I actually have a gang of people to meet. So we had this entire gang of my school friends, and we're all gonna meet after the lockdown very, very soon. Hi Arpit. Hi Yashvi. Hi Jabalia. Thank you. I love you guys too. Hi Impriya. Hi Always SRJ. Please tell me I should take what? Take what? चांद मुबारक. आपको भी चांद मुबारक. कल है ना ये? Hi Talha. I remember how last year this time we all celebrated together Eid and the roses, the iftari, and I really miss it. We have to meet soon. Even the Patiala Waves team has to have a reunion very soon. I miss you all. Hi Abhijit. Hi Ankit. Hi Pushkar. आपका लॉकडाउन कैसा चल रहा है? मेरा लॉकडाउन बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. But yes, I'm missing to go out. Obviously missing the freedom. Yes, कल है ईद भी too. Yes. Hi Mamta, Pooja. Your eyes are looking great. Thank you. You're speaking so sweetly. Thank you. Hi Sangeeta Kumari. I'll add you soon. Please take my mom's name, Rosie. Hi Rosie auntie. How are you? Thank you for all the love. Hi Ashnodi. Hello. I Naveen Music. Hello. Hi Muskan. Hi Palak. Hi Nanuji. Amay, what's up, buddy? Hello. How are you doing? ईद की शुभकामनाएं दीदी. आपको भी ईद की शुभकामनाएं. कल है ईद, so yes, of course. Your smile's killer. Thank you. आपके सॉन्ग के 16 मिलियन हो गए. मेरे फेवरेट सॉन्ग एंड कॉन्ग्रेट्स. थैंक यू मिनी खान. When will you guys come on screen? अभी तो खैर the shoots are not started. Plus I'm not planning to take any long-term project for a few months. So yes. Long live session. Oh yes, so that live session was actually with one of the interviews. Was one of the interview live sessions. So today I decided why not come live and interact with all my students. Hi Ashnodi, your child fans texting you first time. Please reply me. Hi Amrita Malviya, how are you doing? Hi Ashish Singh. आपकी वॉइस बहुत क्यूट है. थैंक यू. आई एम योर बिगेस्ट फैन. थैंक यू. मेलोडी जेनी, हेलो. हाय धारा. हाय मंगाई. लव योर बैंड. ओह थैंक यू. आई एम पुटिंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई गेस ऑन सोशल मीडिया. यस, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट बैंड्स टू. ऐड करो. ऐड करती हूँ यार. कैसे इतने सारे लोगों को कैसे ऐड कर सकती हूँ? हाय हेतवी. आपका बर्थडे कब आता है? गया मेरा बर्थडे 3rd में. मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. थैंक यू अदनान अमन. हाय गौरांग, हाउ यू डूइंग? हाय प्रतीक. हा 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 हा. मैं such a funny thing. We live so nearby, yet we can't meet because of the lockdown. Responsible citizens. Hi Jeban. Birthday gaya. Oh damn, belated happy birthday. Shut up, man. When will you visit South India? I don't know. Let the lockdown get over first. Let's make a plan after my boards. Are you a Potterhead? No, I have. Are you a Potterhead? I have been. On many of my friends are Potterheads, so I'm gonna start reading soon. But I'll have to like wait for the lockdown to get over and stuff. Your Dark Fantasy ad, I loved it. Thank you. Amay Pandya, responsible peeps. Yes, I'm responsible. Hi, favorite girl. Hello, Saloni. Hi, Kunal Singh. Hi, Shivani Rana 3330. How are you? I might have missed your comment. Hi, Arman. Pushp Krajar, आप कैसे हो? मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. I like your hair. Thank you, Prisha. Okay, guys, last 2-3 minutes and then I'll be going off. Like, I'll be ending the live. I like your show. Thank you. Love from Gujarat. Love from Mumbai. एक बार तो रिप्लाई कर दो. Hi, Samira Prasad. Stay home, girl. Yes, I am staying home. Yes, no, you're amazing. Thank you, Kishu. Thank you, Pragati Bansai, for all the love. I might wanna address the chapter you did. Shut up, man. Nothing like that. Stop pulling my leg on my live, okay? Please tell me when are you going to resume shooting? I'm getting bored. Hi, Himanshu. Hi, Aryan Singh. How are you doing? I guess अभी in some short time तो shoot resume होने वाला नहीं है. But yes, soon hopefully. Love from Varanasi. Lots of love from Mumbai. Lots of love pouring in. Thank you guys. Okay, bye Amay. See you. एक बार तो reply दे दो. Hi Sanu. Have fun. Thanks. Hi Nishu. Reply दे दो Mini G. Hi Deeksha Jain. How are you doing? Love you Deedu. Thank you Shivani. कुकिंग में आपको क्या बनाना अच्छा लगता है? आई लव बेकिंग एक्चुअली. बेकिंग करने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे आजकल. सो या बेकिंग these days. Please come to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm your biggest fan. Soon I will visit there very soon. Hopefully. Hi Ace Priya. Hi Baines. Hi Urvi Garg 04. How are you doing? Hi Ishi Goyal. You're looking so cute, man. Thank you, Santok. What's your routine? So I get up in the morning, I have my online classes, then I have my tuitions, workouts, sketching, interacting with you guys. Also, because my YouTube channel is coming up. So yes, guys, also stay tuned. My YouTube channel is coming up very soon. I've been shooting videos for that. They are under process, under editing. And I guess next week we should be good to go with the YouTube videos. Yeah. Thank you, Kiran, for all the love. Hi, Utkarsh. Hi, Arshali. Hi, Archita. Hi, it's Harpreet16. आप बहुत cute हो. Thank you, Sagar. Hi, Pavni. I love your dance. Thank you, Vijay. Please make a show. Missing you very badly. Soon, guys, soon. Thank you. I guess I should end the live now. And all I would want to say is thank you so much for all the love you guys have been pouring in. I just love you guys. You know how much you mean to me. You're like an extended family. And आप सभी को क्योंकि मैं कल आ नहीं पाऊंगी लाइव, so आप सभी को ईद मुबारक. Or I guess there should be one last person I want to add. आप सभी को ईद मुबारक. I guess I won't be able to come live tomorrow. So wishing you all a very happy Eid in advance.
Hi. I'm fine. How are you, Ashur?
It's all good. I just saw you coming by, and you guys make such good edits. I just love all of them.
I can't believe you accepted my.
Okay,
Thank you very much. I'm a very huge fan of yours.
Thank you so much. I've been seeing your edits, and they're all amazing. So thank you for all the love.
Thank you.
And
Thank
yes,
you.
Break Back Patiala Babes and Sonura as Minil were trending on number 3 and number 4 on Twitter yesterday. So you guys, I mean, wow. Thank you. Obviously, there are a few things we don't have control on, but your love and all your hard work, the efforts you guys are taking, I just love you all.
I'm shaking right now.
It's okay, relax, calm down.
Can you please talk to my mom?
Sorry?
Can you please talk to my mom once?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Mama, I am healthy.
Relax, it's okay.
Hi.
नमस्ते. कैसे हो आप?
आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, एकदम बढ़िया.
Screenshot ले ले. Can I take a screenshot?
Yeah, sure.
बहुत अच्छे लगते हो आप. हम
Thank
कोई
you so
भी
much,
आपको
Nancy.
करके रिपीट भी देखते हैं.
Thank you so much. And please आप इन्हें संभालिए, ये रो क्यों रहे हैं? तो आप इन्हें संभालिए.
Love you, बच्चा.
Thank you.
God bless you. और कैसे हो? सब घर में बढ़िया?
बस सब बढ़िया. आप भी सेफ रहिए, अंदर रहिए एंड प्रिकॉशंस लीजिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हम हैं सब लोग. और वैसे भी हमारे यहाँ इतना नहीं है कोरोना का.
हाँ.
ग्रीन जोन में है हम लोग.
ओके, दैट्स गुड. अच्छा है, सेफ ही रहिए. सब सेफ रहे, सब जल्दी खत्म हो जाए ये सब कुछ जो हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल. मम्मा
ओके, बाय बाय. See you.
My mom. नमस्ते अठियो. ये सीरियल की हीरोइन है. हाँ अच्छा. Ashnodi, it's my request. Please allow my DM.
Okay, I have it. I'll do that.
पटियाला वेब सीरियल हीरोइन है. अच्छा अच्छा
Okay,
अच्छा.
I guess my battery is getting low. I'll just have to end the live. So thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Love you.
So guys, thank you. This was for it and our last participant that I added for the day. So lots of love to you all. Advance mein Eid Mubarak. Stay home, stay safe. Love you all.